yes, indeed, you've done a very grave and serious wrong thing. Instead of asking Allah to test you, ask Him to grant you al-afiyah. The Prophet ﷺ once visited one of his companions, and he got so sick that he was like he lost all of his weight. He was like skin over bones. So the Prophet said, ﷺ, did you make any dua? Yeah, this is strange. What's happening to you? I don't see any symptoms of illness or sickness. So why is this happening to you? Did you make any dua? So the man said, yes, O Prophet of Allah. I used to say, oh Allah, whatever you were storing for me on the day of judgment as torment, make it happen now in this life, so I would not have any sins when I meet you. And the Prophet was, ﷺ, shocked. He said, Subhanallah, who can tolerate such a thing? Shouldn't you have asked Allah for al-afiyah? And this was a way of the Prophet ﷺ of telling us, never ever make dua against yourself, or ask Allah to test you because you will not make it, or ask Allah to test you and make you make the test and pass it. No, this is illogical. If you know that Allah answers dua and Allah accepts your dua, might as well ask Him to forgive your sins, period. That's it. Ask Him to love you without testing. Mutarrif ibn Abdullah, one of the great scholars, used to say, to be given wealth and health and I show my gratitude to Allah is better from me than to be tested with poverty and illness and be patient. These are two tests from Allah. You could be healthy and wealthy, and you could be poor and sick. Which one would you choose? It's illogical for people to choose. No, I want Allah to love me more and to make me poor and sick. No, because they've been given by Allah Himself. So ask for health and wealth and al-afiyah, which is all good things in life. Forgiveness, health, wealth, well-being, all of this goes under the umbrella of al-afiyah. Ask Allah for al-afiyah. This is the best thing. After certainty, you may ask Allah Azza wa Jal for. So do not ever ask Allah to test you, because you will fail. Don't ever ask Allah for a test, rather ask Him for al-afiyah.